Hello everyone on YouTube, how are you? Welcome to WA Reviews YouTube channel. Guys, today we will unbox DDR3 RAM. I ordered this one from AliExpress. It's a KEMBONA brand. Just now receive I this one KEMBONA brand DDR3. This is a Chinese brand, but they are give you lifetime full warranty. So don't worry, because they are giving you lifetime warranty for this RAM DDR3. It's a 1.35 volt DDR3L 1600 MHz frequency. It's a PC3L model. It's 8 GB RAM. It will work with all brands motherboards. So don't worry, if you have any brand of laptop, HP, Dell, Lenovo, so you can use this one. It's 8-bit ETT chipset. There is 8-bit. We will open and see 8-bit ETT chipset. It's a dual channel RAM. It's 204 pins and lifetime warranty. So this RAM for laptops, not for desktops. So let's open this RAM. It's a sealed. So for open, I will cut this one. Yes, you can see I already cut this seal and open. This one 204 pins DDR3 RAM model PC3L. This one 8-bit ETT chipset. So I think this one good RAM in cheap price, good RAM. Let's talk about its price. Its price just in between $25 to $30. So $25 to $30 you are getting this 8 GB DDR3 RAM. This is very cheapest RAM with lifetime warranty. So don't worry, your $25 to $30 not going to waste. So as you can see, guys, this one PC3L 12800S DDR3 8 GB with 1600 MHz frequency. This is the DDR3 model RAM. So let's go to laptop. We will install this one in laptop and then we will check the performance of our laptop. So stay with video. I will install this RAM in my laptop and show you this performance. So guys, as you can see, I already installed the RAM. I already have 4 GB DDR3. Now I install 8 GB DDR, so it's total 12 GB. As you can see mention here, 12 GB DDR3 installed. In this task manager memory section, you can see in used now 4.6 GB and available 7.3 GB. You can see here committed 13.7 GB RAM. As you can see my GPU performance, because now I am video recording, so GPU performance is only 19 to 24% going, and everything normal here. CPU performance, we can see our CPU performance speed is showing 1.313 GHz, and this is the main memory section. So here showing us 12 GB total DDR3 RAM. So we will check our RAM performance in CPU Z. So I open this CPU Z here. As you can see, we will go in SPD tab. So here I select slot 1. In slot 1 I have DDR3L, which now I install. It's a module size, here showing 8 GB module size, and you can see bandwidth of this DDR3L 800 megahertz. So, and also in ranks it's showing us dual status, dual, because it's a dual bus. Here showing part number, here showing serial number, and you can see here up to 800 megahertz it's working. So I select my second RAM. I show you in third slot. In third slot you can see DDR3L 4 gigabytes. It's mean 4 GB I already installed before. It's a single bus RAM. Its manufacturer SK hynix. This is the part number, this is the serial number of this DDR3L. Which one we install on slot number 1. This all specification showing. See voltage also 1.35, 1.35, 1.35, 1.35. We will check our CPU. My CPU showing Intel Core i3. We will go in our memory section, memory tab showing us DDR3 total size 12 gigabytes, 8 plus 4, so 12 gigabytes. Channel dual channel, RAM frequency up to 800 megahertz is showing here. So this is all detail showing in our CPU Z. So this RAM all detail showing which I installed now, DDR3L PC3 12800 up on 800 megahertz. So you can see after installation it's showing me all details of RAM and its bandwidth, its model number, its serial number and type of RAM. So I am using this RAM for last 2 months, so it's okay, normal, it's working normal, nothing bad with this RAM, so you can use this one. So this is the all about this KEMBONA RAM. I show you on CPU Z as well and my task manager as well. In my task manager you can see 12 GB DDR3 and this one showing its memory 4.6 GB in use and 7.3 GB available.
So guys, hope you enjoy the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, like my video, share with your friends and keep supporting guys. Stay safe. See you next video. Take care. Bye.